What I wish I knew about my Hyundai Elantra's AC before it stopped working. If your Hyundai Elantra's air conditioner isn't blowing cold air, don't sweat it. Let's go through some common issues and easy solutions. First, check your AC settings. Sometimes it's as simple as adjusting the temperature dial or making sure the AC button is actually on. Next, listen for any unusual noises. A weird sound could mean a problem with the compressor. If that's the case, you might need to see a mechanic. Another common issue is low refrigerant. Over time, your car can lose refrigerant, making the air less cold. You can buy a recharge kit from an auto store, but if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, a professional can help. Also, don't forget to check the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and make your AC less effective. These are easy to replace and can make a big difference. Lastly, inspect the AC fuse. If it's blown, your AC won't work at all. Replacing a fuse is quick and inexpensive. There you have it. With these simple checks, you can stay cool in your Hyundai Elantra. If all else fails, consult a mechanic. Stay chill.